Okay, Larry, W6WUH in California. You soldered your last connection. You've put your connectors together. You clean up your workbench. Your tools are all put back in their box or on their rack. Everything's clear. Here's the radios. You just dying to smoke test them. Is it time? What's the last step? What have you got? You spent a few days. You made yourself a cable. This one's 11 feet long. You used the best parts you had, the best craftsmanship you could, double-checked everything. You had a checklist. You went through it one by one. You checked off everything as you did it before you put the connectors together. You double-checked it again. Are you ready? What's next? Get out the handy little ohm meter. If you've got one that'll buzz at you, so much the better. Because now it's time to ring the cables. It just means you're going to take your ohm meter and make sure that you've got continuity end to end on each connection. And if you really want to be rigorous, you're going to run your probe and touch all the other pins and make sure it isn't shorted anywhere. At least 2 or 3 adjacent pins. So that's the last step. 21 conductors here. You know it's going to take a little while. That's why it's wonderful if you have something that buzzes, beeps, rings a bell, even if you made it. Use your code oscillator. Doesn't matter. Otherwise you got to read the ohm meter 1,000 times. But that's the last step.